Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Colorado. This vehicle is powered by a 2-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.5-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, strut, daytime running lights, rear step bumper, power brakes, braking assist. Inside you'll find rear view camera, audio radio, touchscreen display, electronic messaging assistance with read function, electronic messaging assistance with voice recognition, trip computer, multifunction display, tachometer, airbags, passenger, occupant sensing deactivation, one-touch windows, one audio, speed-sensitive volume control.